Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to show you something about the roundabout, especially during the driving test. Because normally when we drive normally on the roundabouts, our supervisor asks us to turn left, go straight, turn right or make a U-turn. So that's a section. But during the driving test, most of your testing officer will ask you exit 1, exit 2, exit 3, or make U-turn or exit 4. So same thing, but the way of instruction is different, and the new learner, they get confused when they go for driving test. They can't remember what is exit 1, 2, 3 or 4, because not all the roundabout are same. Some of roundabout they have a 4 exit, some of the roundabout they have only 3 exit, even sometimes you can see only 2 exit. The roundabout is closed from both sides, only the front and goes there. So you need to know what is the exit 1, exit 2, exit 3 and exit 4 when you go for your driving test. So when you do practice, also do the practice that way. Ask your supervisor, give me the section exit 1, exit 2 like this. So I just draw here two different type of roundabout. So this roundabout has a 4 exits, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this roundabout got only 3 exits, so 1, 2 and 3. So first we go with the 4 exit roundabout. So in this roundabout, suppose we are here, this is our car. So if your testing officer say next roundabout, before approaching the roundabout they give you instructions. So next roundabout, take the exit 1 or take a first exit. So this is gonna be your first exit, this is your second, this is your third and this is your fourth. So you here first exit, second exit, third exit, fourth exit. So same during the driving test, could be they say exit 1, so you need to know the first exit, whatever the first exit coming from the roundabout. So if you there, this is your first and this is going straight and exit 2, turn right and exit 3, same. So here exit 3, and when they U-turn or exit 4, same here and exit 4. So just remember exit 1 on your first left, it called exit 1. The second, exit 2, exit 3 and exit 4. And now other thing is, depend on the roundabout, you need to give the exit signal. So what is the exit signal? Most of them they don't know what is exit signal is. So depend on the size of the roundabout. So if the small roundabout, you don't need to worry because you don't have enough time to give exit signal. But if you approach to the large roundabout and you going straight or you turning right, just think you taking third exit. So this is your third exit. So how we take exit signal? So this is your car and you going to the take third exit. So when you turn around from there, give your right signal. And when you cross approaching this area, that curve area, so from here you need to change your signal to the left. So what happened, whoever here, they know you're going to exit from this street. Same, if you're going straight, you don't need to give any signal, but when you cross that area, you need to signal to the left. So who's waiting there, they know you're going to turn left. So this is called exit signal. But this one, when you have enough time, so when it's practicable. So otherwise you don't have to worry. So now comes to the 3 exits roundabout. Same, if you here and your testing officer say next roundabout, take the first exit. So this is your first exit, and now like this roundabout you can see second exit there, but this roundabout there is a closed road here, so there is no exit, so it's gonna be second exit here. and when you all the way do turn around, this is gonna be your third exit. So this is the difference between this roundabout and this roundabout. Plus, you need to remember what is the exit 1, 2 and 3. And now comes another just a general knowledge. So when you go on the roundabout, which signal you need to give? So if you hear, this is your car. If you're taking the first exit, turning left, you need to give a signal left. So turning left or exit 1, signal left. Now when you go to the roundabout, going straight or taking second exit, there is no signal required. So you're going straight. When you turning right or taking the third exit, you need to give a signal right. So signal right. And when you're performing U-turn or taking your exit 4, you still need to give your right signal because you're turning all the way to the roundabout. See, now you come to exit 3-1. If you're taking first exit, signal left. There is no straight road here, so you have option only to go left, right or making U-turn. So if you're taking second exit or making turning right, you need to give your right signal. And if you're taking the third exit or making U-turn, you need to give your right signal. So I hope you understand different between normally when giving section turning right left or they asking to do exit 1, exit 2, exit 3. So more useful video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now. Thank you.